ng mga swat Jeremiah and 18 weekend. Only way together. Brought to you by MX3.
Mag-MX3 araw-araw para MX Extraordinary.
Larga na muna mga kapuso sa kapagaw sa oras.
Ang dami kong gustong basahin sana dito sa text ko na kasi sa Facebook Live.
Tanda natin
Pero wala
bukas
naman
mga habulin yan.
ewan ko kung lang dito natin open bukas. Pero I'll try.
El Bonito Rowena Web Salvacion.
Kasama siyempre ang pambansang Pogi si Weng Galapendia. Dito lang po yung sa Double. Yung sa Double D dito ang kwento ay...
May kwenta.
Siyempre.
Gracias, Senyor. Adios, kapuso. Wait, kasama sina Weng Salvacion at Weng de la Peña.
Traffic!
Kapuso pa niya po ng 20 minutes ngayong hapon. Ako po si Boy at welcome to Pasta. Ayuda, sa lahat ng nanonood po sa Facebook at YouTube na pikinig po sa DZWB, welcome to the program. Didn't we announce our announcement for today? Okay? But we have a nice surprise for you. What that is now? Okay, so mula po Lunes ay tayo mapapanood na po at 4 o'clock in the afternoon. Inuulit ko po, dahil tayo po sa alas 4 ng hapon, tayo'y magkukwentuhan na simula po yan Lunes. Maraming salamat po sa inyong suporta. Dahil tayo po sa please welcome our very special guest today. I love you, Cheryl Cruz! How are you?
Ito ang mabuti at saka sobrang kinig-kinig dahil kasama kita ngayon dito. Sarap.
Alam mo, off-cam, sabi ko, kumusta ang lagay ng iyong puso? Ano sabi mo?
Ang sabi ko, sobrang nakulay, nakaka-overwhelm bakit sumabog na siya.
Please, maraming salamat.
Yes.
My God, I mean, you know, at a certain point in Philippine show business, ikaw ay ang cast ng bayan. You were the dream girl.
Wow.
How did it feel?
Well, at the time, hindi ko naman talaga
Iniisip?
iniisip yun, Kuya Boy, because,
Yeah.
syempre, di ba, parang pagkakaraniwang teenager lang din ako. I don't know, di ba yung gano'n? Tapos dumating pala sa point na gano'n na crush nila ako.
Right.
Kasi nakakataba ng puso.
Remember the I love you sign? Oh, diba? Anong umpisa nun?
Anyway, I have fans kasi, or followers right now, di ba, as we all
Okay.
call it sa social media, followers na definitely. So, as we all know, di ba, sa American Sign Language, I love you is I love, and then you. So, that's I love you for all of them. So, actually, that was really specially done as a sign to tell them that I was really grateful for all the support and the love that they were giving me.
That you are including them up to this very day.
Yeah.
Diba? Dream boy. Kasama dream boy.
Dream ko.
Ano ang kwento sa likod ng dream boy na outfit?
Sa likod ng Dream Boy na awitan na ginawa ng release na Kuligor, no?
Yeah.
Siyempre, ano mang malay ko, Kuya Boy, sa love at that time, I was only 15 going on 16. But at that time, marami na kasi kamang mga proyekto na pinagsamahan ni Mr. Romic Tormenta. So, I guess, isa rin siya sa inspiration ng ating Mr. Dream Boy na song.
Siya ba ang dream boy mo noon?
Ang pinakikita nilang Dream Boy ko na halos lahat ng movies magkakasama kami. So, lahat, pinipinig lahat halos ng aming mga tagahanga at nag-aaway-aaway pa pag hindi kami pagkakasama sa isang proyekto. Kasi hindi sinabi mo sa akin, nasipilit, wala pa. 5 years, hindi tayo.
Well, you know, si Dada po worked for me for a long time and siguro iiwanan lang ako dyan. Pag si
Laki na yung batang yan. She can put her own socks on her own self. Di ba? Yung gano'n. So, you don't have to baby her, but that's how she treated me.
Pero kailangan mo ng approval kay Yaya pag may nanliligaw.
Not really. Kasi,
Not really,
kasi
okay.
Kuya Boy, iba't ibang mga yaya ko sa bahay, no? Hindi naman kasi, di ba, meron ako mga kapatid, so meron din mga ibang nag-aalaga sa kanila, or minsan, may kapalit pag napapagod yung isang yaya ko, nakasama ko.
Okay.
So, merong isa pang yaya na gano'n. So, ang nangyayari, pag meron akong mga kapareha, o may nakikita silang ibang gwapo, like Mandy Ochoa, like Zoran Legato.
Wait, Mandy also?
Yeah, became my boyfriend because first bench model, di ba?
Yes.
And wala tayo, wow, model, ganyan-ganyan.
This is Mandy. And then,
And then, si
Zoran, this is
yeah,
Zoran.
Zoran first before Mandy, then
Okay.
Aga, then Aga first before Aga and
okay.
si Mandy, ganun. Parang
Pero nag-assume na wala kayong closure ni Anjo when you got married to Zoran.
Before I left for the States
Okay.
and decided to actually try it there. That's why I met Norman. So,
Yes, but that before.
because I asked for my hand in marriage and I said yes.
You said yes.
Yeah.
Pero bakit
And then I found out na I got somebody pregnant because kahit pa paano, di ba, it broke my heart, of course. But, you know, that's already water under the bridge. We're good friends.
Kaya nakapag-usapan na.
And actually, it was actually amazing because by the time I went back here, di ba, sa Philippines, and I myself got separated and divorced, di ba, yung ganyan. And then, nagkaroon kami ng kumbaga, ng moment wherein we were able to see each other again, and then we were able to catch up on things and try to, I guess, have another go at it, but
Oh, really?
yeah, but then, you know,
But because then he was single.
yeah, but then, you know, inahangaan ko siya because he's a very good father.
Yeah.
And, ayos naman yung mga anak niya, yung gano'n. Same thing naman for me, di ba? If you really didn't quite work out with your relationship, if it didn't really quite work out with your relationship, then it doesn't mean that you cannot be a good parent.
Yeah,
Or
that's right. Oo.
there's an improvement that you
Ang
can
hindi namin alam, ako alam ko na you had a thing or, you know, ang hindi ko alam that he proposed marriage and you said that.
He did.
And then you married Norman. Mabilis na lang, si Romney.
With Nico naman kasi, syempre, di ba, batang kasi ako nun, Kuya Boy, I mean, when I was doing this project for Staple Films, and I really think, no, na talagang kami pala yung pinupush na maging collab scenes, di ba, yung inilalaan na yun talaga yung collab scenes, so, hindi wala ako,
Pero naging kayo ba?
naliligaw naman sa akin si Nico, pero I cannot call it really the serious thing, because for me, my head wasn't about relationships. My head was really focused about, you know, finishing school. And not only finishing school, but also moving on to become a solo actress that will be paired off with other leading men, yung ganon, and doing other projects with other productions.
Okay, ipaliwanag mo lang yung caption in one of your posts. Lovers in Istanbul.
Lovers in Istanbul. It wasn't a caption that it's not a caption of lovers in Istanbul.
Who's caption of that?
It was this caption, and then probably should be my cousin. We were just celebrating her birthday. Saka yung kasama ko yun sa travel namin sa Turkey. Yun. Happy birthday, I love
Happy
you.
birthday, bro.
And she wanted to go to Turkey after one of her vacations. So, I guess the caption that was actually misinterpreted and misinterpreted by everyone and took a life of its own is Gabihin.
Okay.
Gabihin, which sinasabi niya sa akin. So, ang meaning pala ng Gabihin, is my baby or babe.
What are we talking about? Sino may pasabi sa'yo?
We haven't seen son, actually, she owns a travel agency. So what we're talking about. So she works with all of these good men.
One of them is?
Yes. One of them is ESAT. That's ESAT, di ba? ESAT. ESAT. CSAT. to be in another whirlwind romance. I would like to get to know
It's a beautiful place.
it is a very romantic place, a very beautiful place. But then, I'm really to enjoy and, make friends.
But Ethan is not a boyfriend.
Efrat is not a boyfriend either.
It's not a boyfriend. Yeah.
No, no, no. No, I'm a playboy. I'm really, I even posted a picture.
He's the one.
Yeah, but then, women my age is going at it for a second go, no? In terms of relationship. Siguro it's just a matter of like companionship, partnership with mutual respect.
Pero bakit yan siya? After what you've been through, divorce and all these relationships, will you, I mean, that's the question, that's the logical question ngayon, will you ever marry again ang sasagutan? Sa pagbabalik po, ng Fast Talk with Boy Abuja. Number one, sa Mega Manila. Number one,
Ikaw ha, Lilith, nalaman ko na naman na sinusustentuhan ka ng asawa ko. Ano naman mukha mo? Ano naman sa amin? Kit ka na sa pamilya namin, di ba?
Parang wala na akong ginagawa. May trabaho din naman po ako. Pero ang pinag-uusapan natin,
O di magtrabaho ka na lang at huwag ka nang hutot na hutot.
magtatrabaho na ako. Napakapakit na magsalita. Sino bang mga mo?
Ako ang legal boy. Ikaw ay isang sabsid lang.
Hindi ako sabi. Bahagi nila ako ng buhay. Mali pa ang aking legal. Let's do that.
Yes, but thank you for supporting me with Lagyapa 30. Please watch it every day.
Okay, there's a fast talk. Okay, Pinoy foreigner.
Parehas,
Wapo mayaman.
mayaman,
Mas bata ka edad, mas matanda.
sakto lang.
Mahal mo, mahal ka.
Mahal ako.
Kung hindi ka artista, ano ka?
Ako travel agent.
Maninigaw o mang-aagaw?
Ano yun? Pakiulit ang
Meron yun? Complete this. Sabi ko na nga ba,
kapwa ay merong pag-ibig na tunay.
bakit hindi mo sabihin na
Na ako ay iyong mahal.
one misconception about you, Sharon?
Na ako ay hard to reach.
One true thing about you?
I'm very authentic.
Yes or no? Naranasan na mag-ghost?
Oo naman.
Yes or no? Dinaraya ng kapwa-artista?
Wala naman akong naaalala na
Yes or no? Natakot magmahal?
Oo.
Yes or no? Na-in love sa mas bata?
Oo.
15 or 50?
50.
Lights on or lights off?
Lights off.
Happiness or chocolates?
Chocolate.
Best time for happiness?
In the middle of the day. Every day.
Hashtag ng buhay mo ngayon.
Hashtag na buhay ko ngayon. Kingusto ako Kuya Boy.
Nag-ghost ka na. Yeah.
Oh, nag-ghost naman ako. Yeah. But not only probably once or twice, but all throughout. All throughout din naman. I mean, it happens to the best of us. And I guess, and I guess the reason why,
One point.
I guess the reason why I'm effective when it comes to like my acting skills, it's because of the experience that I've gone through.
Right. Oo, may...
And yeah, and I'd like to say, yung darating na Gawad Awards natin, Filipino Awards, because I was actually given another...
That's why you were tricky, right?
Yeah. Yeah, I was so happy because after the success, the basis of success, this is
Monday, dapat midnight, ang Senator Alan at Pia at we tackle, Senator Pia, we tackle legal issues. Panoorin niyo po yan kay Dalan Action ni Boy Abunda. Naitay ka puso, maraming salamat po sa inyong pagpapatuloy sa amin sa inyong mga puso at tahanan araw-araw. I say thank you. Make your nanay at tatay proud because no one puts in a day. Almost the world a better place. Goodbye for now. God bless.
Ang Super Radio DWB, ang number 1 FM station ang Barangay LM. GNA Radio is still number 1. Salamat mga kapuso.
At ang mag-uwi ng parangal bilang Most Development-Oriented AM Station ay ang DZWB Tigo 94 Super Radio.
Ginawaran bilang Most Development-Oriented AM Station ang Super Radio DZWB sa ika-18 Gantingan Awards. Maraming salamat sa patuloy na pagtitiwala, mga kapuso.
Friday, tomorrow. Kayo'y nakikinig sa Big Time Balita. Sabay sa bata ang matatanda. Ako po si Carne Santa Cruz at ito ang Big Time Balita First Day Edition. Traffic lagi.
Double B Balitang Bulili. Sumalibigante ang dating. Carne Santa Cruz at ang Big Time Balita. Dito lamang sa Super Radio. Daw po ng Metropolitan Water Works Authority na walang water service interruption kahit na bumababa sa 180 meters ang minimum operating level ng hanggang sa
Eh?
mga lugar sa Metro Manila na hindi binabaha noon, pero binabaha na ngayon bilang paghahanda sa tag-ulam. Ikaw sabi niya, PWD.
Ganoon ang Department of Public Works and Highways. Mga defense at foreign affairs official ng Pilipinas at Japan, aba, ay mag-uusap daw eh. Ang Department of Justice o DOJ, suportado ang nuclear energy agreement ng Pilipinas at ng Amerika. Yan ang ating mga double bibalitang bulini. Subalini gante ang datay. Yan inyo naging tagapagbalita. Allah, yan inyong double day. Ang inyong patangkin yung broadcaster. May sikaran ni Santa Cruz Ariel. Kayo'y nakikinig sa Big Time Balita. Ang balitang ito ay hatid sa inyo ng Enviromax. Ang balitang ito ay hatid sa inyo ng EO Executive Optical. For expert eye care, come to EO Executive Optical with over 300 stores nationwide. EO Executive Optical. Love your eyes. Ay ari na ho ang ating Bumper to Bumper Report. Mga bagong balitang bukas palang mababasa. Pero din eh, maririnig mo na eh. Ang may bahay daw po ni Senate President Francis Escudero at fossil icon na si Hardy Evangelista. Inagpanik. Bakit?